Hello. Today show how to download Windows 10 in Microsoft official website for free. Welcome to ISMAIL360. Open any browser and go to the link in description. Right-click your mouse and click on Inspect. Click on Responsive and select iPad Pro. Then click on Refresh. Press F12 or close Inspect Frame. Select Windows 10 and click to confirm. Select your language and click to confirm. Click on your bit. You need 32-bit to click 32-bit and you need to 64-bit to click on 64-bit. Your installed IDM show this pop-up. Click Start Download. You're not installed IDM. To download directly. Microsoft server speed high. So reach the maximum speed of your internet connection. How to active Windows 10 for free. Show this video on